Hi, my name is Kim Larson. I'm a client success manager here at Luminoso. And the question we often get first is, what is daylight? So daylight is our natural language-based insight discovery tool. Stories go into our domain agnostic engine and unique insights are illuminated, hence daylight. Stories exist pretty much everywhere. People are communicating online reviews, surveys, focus groups, call centers, communities. And with daylight, organizations can pull all of these into one place and see what people are talking about and how they're talking about it within the span of minutes. Users can quickly dive into parts of the stories that they need to in order to respond appropriately. The question we get immediately after that is, well what does daylight do? Specifically, daylight shows us what is in the data, including the association strength between concepts in Galaxy. For example, how is product related to easy versus difficult, and how common these concepts are. How often are people mentioning packaging versus flavor, for example. It also shows us the so what of the data using drivers and sentiment. Drivers shows us the relationship between concept mentions like product or flavor and the numerical metadata like the rating or anything else you might have. We also have concept level sentiment, which shows us how emotionally charged are specific concepts in the data. Is it polarizing versus net sentiment? We have a series on that. And if the data has more metadata, we can utilize my favorite personal functionality, which is unique to filter. This services whether subgroups of a respondent pool are discussing things similarly or differently, answering questions like, what is unique to my brand versus my competitor? What is unique to detractors versus promoters? How are men talking about this versus non-men? And so much more. So thank you for watching. Like and share if this was helpful. And don't hesitate to reach out if you have any other questions.